Good morning, welcome to IndianShareTips.com, and today is 17th June 2021, Thursday, expiry day, volatility can be expected. So, the major event which was that discussion by Fed on the interest rates. So, we'll just discuss that because it has a lasting impression on the USA markets. Fed has held the rate steady but is given indication that inflation will be rising up, which means that interest rates will be going up moving forward. So this news is bad for USA market, but overall it is good that markets will react and will go down in a slow and a steady manner. Post the Fed meeting, USA markets were down by around 100 to 150 points, but later they have recovered partially. So this news will be factored in and we should not take too much into it. However, we have to be cautious and should not go overboard with the long positions, as markets at times can react negatively even a day after the announcement. Because of this announcement, metal stocks and base metals in commodity sector are in downtrend. So for the time being, you can keep yourself away from metal buying in commodity market oblique metal stocks in the Indian stock market. Stock to focus, the metal stock which is showing a downward trend is the Nalco. You can go short in the stock as per your trading strategy. As of now, USA Central Bank has given no indication as to when it will begin cutting back the rates on its aggressive bond buying program. However, this issue has been addressed in its meeting. So, for the today, don't jump into the trade at the opening, let the market settle down and then only plan your trade accordingly. As of now, SGX Nifty is also down by 100 plus points. So we feel that markets will be opening negative but will be recovering in later part of the day. So if you like our video, we'll request you to subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up, and do remember to check us for our best bank nifty option tips or stock market tips oblique commodity tips, for which we will give the URLs in the description box. Thank you. Have a great day.